Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Honeywell water heaters, the dreaded 5 flashes error code. If you're dealing with this in 2025 or beyond, you're in the right place. This code can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get your hot water flowing again quickly. First off, what does the 5 flashes mean? On a Honeywell water heater, this error typically signals a problem with the flame sensor or the gas control valve. It might indicate that the sensor isn't detecting a flame properly, which could be due to a faulty sensor, dirt buildup, or even issues with the gas supply. This is a safety feature to prevent gas leaks, so it's important not to ignore it. Let's troubleshoot this together. Start by turning off the power to your water heater at the circuit breaker for safety. Once it's off, wait a few minutes, then check the flame sensor. It's usually located near the burner assembly. Use a fine grit sandpaper or emery cloth to gently clean any soot or corrosion off the sensor. Reinstall it carefully and restore power. Next, if cleaning doesn't work, you might need to inspect the gas control valve. Ensure the gas supply is on and there's no blockage in the lines. Sometimes, resetting the unit by pressing the reset button can clear the error. If you're not comfortable with this, it's best to call a licensed technician. Tampering with gas appliances can be dangerous. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing these issues. Clean your flame sensor annually and keep an eye on your water heater's performance. If the 5 flashes persist, it could point to a more serious problem like a bad thermocouple or wiring issue, so professional help is essential. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep your home running smoothly.